Improving yourself as a Muslim does not start with being perfect. It starts with being honest with yourself and sincere with Allah. Whether you were born Muslim or you are thinking about becoming one, the journey is not about becoming flawless overnight. It is about taking consistent steps toward truth, discipline, and closeness to your Creator. The first improvement is intention. Ask yourself why you want to be better. If your reason is to please people, you will burn out. If your reason is to please Allah, you will stay consistent even when nobody sees your effort. Islam begins in the heart before it appears in actions. The second improvement is prayer. Salah is not just a ritual, it is your daily reset. If you fix your prayer, many other parts of your life slowly begin to fix themselves. Even if you struggle, even if your focus is not perfect, protect your 5 daily prayers because they anchor your day around Allah instead of around your desires. For someone thinking about becoming Muslim, understand this clearly. Islam is simple at its core. You believe that there is only one God, Allah, and that Muhammad, peace be upon him, is his messenger. Everything else is learned step by step. You are not expected to know everything on day one. Growth is gradual. Another important improvement is your character. The Prophet, peace be upon him, was known for his honesty, patience, and mercy before he was known for anything else. If your worship increases but your character becomes harsh, something is missing. True faith softens the heart, controls the tongue, and improves the way you treat people. Control your speech, reduce gossip, avoid arrogance, speak with purpose. These small daily decisions build a strong Muslim identity more than dramatic changes ever will. Seek knowledge, but do not overwhelm yourself. Learn the basics first. Learn how to pray correctly. Learn who Allah is through His names and attributes. Learn about the life of the Prophet. Knowledge protects you from doubt and strengthens your confidence. Surround yourself with people who remind you of Allah. Environment shapes behavior. If you constantly stay in spaces that pull you away from your values, improvement becomes harder. Choose friends who respect your faith and encourage discipline. For those who want to accept Islam but feel afraid, understand that you do not need to fix your entire life before taking Shahada. You come as you are. Islam transforms you gradually. Many converts say their biggest regret was delaying because they thought they had to become perfect first. Also understand that struggling does not mean failing. Every Muslim struggles with something, whether it is consistency in prayer, lowering the gaze, controlling anger, or avoiding certain sins. The goal is not to never fall. The goal is to always return. Make dua often. Ask Allah to guide you, to strengthen you, to keep your heart firm. Guidance is a gift, and the fact that you even care about improving is already a sign that Allah is calling you closer. Be patient with yourself. Real change takes time. Faith grows through repetition, through small acts done consistently, through choosing discipline over desire again and again. Islam is not a restriction, it is protection. It protects your heart from emptiness, your mind from confusion, and your life from chaos. When practiced sincerely, it gives structure, purpose, and peace. So improve step by step. Pray consistently. Learn continuously. Fix your character. Stay sincere. And if you are thinking about becoming Muslim, do not let fear stop you from truth. Your journey does not require perfection. It requires sincerity, effort, and trust in Allah. And every step you take toward Him, no matter how small, is seen, valued, and rewarded